Most people think the rich are successful because they make more money, but that's not the real reason. The truth is this: the top 1% automate wealth in a way the average person has never even heard of. They don't rely on discipline, motivation, or willpower. They rely on systems that run every single day, even while they sleep. Today, I'm going to reveal the 3 automated wealth frameworks the top 1% use, how they work, why doesn't the rest of the world know about them, and how you can start using these same systems today. Welcome to Money Automation and Growth Hub, where we teach you how to earn smarter, automate wealth, and build financial freedom the intelligent way. Let's get started. The wealthy don't build systems to make life easier. They build systems to make wealth inevitable. These frameworks are quiet, they're invisible, and once they're set up, they run for decades with almost no manual effort. Think of this like building a financial autopilot. You design the route once, and from that moment forward, your money knows exactly where to go, how fast to grow, and how to multiply itself. These are not budgeting tricks. These are asset-level, behavior-level, and system-level frameworks designed to create compounding financial momentum. Let's break down the 3 systems the wealthy automate that 99% of people don't even know exist. Framework 1. The financial aggregation loop. The top 1% never manage money account by account. They manage a financial identity. Most people track finances using statements, apps, and manual inputs. The wealthy? They use financial aggregation, a real-time centralized dashboard that pulls data from every account, cleans it, categorizes it, and shows them their true financial picture at all times. This system updates automatically across bank accounts, brokerages, credit cards, businesses, side income streams, real estate, cash flow positions, debt exposure. But here's where the top 1% take it further. They don't just aggregate data, they feed it into a loop. The loop has 3 automatic outputs. Automatic cash flow analysis. Every transaction gets categorized without manual work, revealing where capital is leaking, where it's compounding, and where it's underutilized. Automatic future projections. Their system forecasts wealth for 1 year, 5 years, and 20 years ahead. This creates predictive awareness, something the average person never gets. Automatic reallocation signals. The system identifies when savings are too high, investments too low, debt too costly, or opportunities underfunded. It tells the wealthy what action produces the highest ROI and removes emotion from the equation. Why this matters? This eliminates guessing, stress, manual, budgeting, emotional decisions, oversaving or underinvesting, and it automates something far more powerful: financial clarity, better decisions, faster growth. This framework alone separates wealthy individuals from everyone else. Framework 2. The automated capital allocation engine. The rich don't choose where their money goes. Their system decides for them. Most people get paid, and then they decide, what should I do with this money? The top 1% never do that manually. They automate everything through a capital allocation engine, which is basically a routing system for every dollar. Here's how it works. The engine pulls income from all sources: jobs, businesses, YouTube channels, real estate dividends, side hustles. Then it distributes that income automatically into 5 categories. 1. The safety layer, 5 to 10%. Emergency reserves, high liquidity accounts, completely automated contributions. 2. The wealth layer, 20 to 40%. Investments that compound automatically, including index funds, ETFs, automated brokerage deposits, retirement accounts, robo-advisor positions, automated tax advantage contributions. This ensures long-term wealth grows without the person manually initiating it. 3. The freedom layer, 5 to 10%. Investments specifically for cash flow, not growth. High-yield saving strategies, automated treasury purchases, automated real estate, fractional deposits, cash-flowing digital assets. The goal: build automatic monthly income that eventually covers expenses. 4. The debt optimization layer, variable percent. High-interest debt payments run automatically, accelerated by algorithms that minimize interest exposure. No manual thinking, no guessing. 5. The growth layer, 5 to 15%. This is where they invest in education, skill development, AI tools, business growth, content creation, automation systems. This layer produces the highest ROI because it increases earning power. Why this framework works? It prevents lifestyle inflation, overspending, and emotional decisions. Every dollar is given a job the moment it hits the system. The wealthy don't trust discipline. They trust automation. When you automate capital allocation, you create a machine that builds wealth whether you feel motivated or not. Framework 3. The passive cash flow rotation system. Wealth isn't built by saving, it's built by rotating money into assets that pay you forever. The wealthy automate a rotation system, not a savings plan. Here's the mindset shift. Poor and middle class earn, spend, save if anything is left. Top 1% earn, allocate, rotate, compound. Rotation means this. Step 1. Convert income into cash flow assets automatically. Examples: dividend ETFs, brokerages with automatic drip reinvestment, fractional real estate automated business reinvestments, AI-driven income streams. Step 2. Reinvest returns without thinking. This is the magic of compounding. Every dollar of cash flow automatically buys more income-producing assets. Step 3. Expand into higher tiers of cash flow. Once the system grows, the wealthy rotate into large-scale real estate equity deals, business acquisitions, automated digital businesses, private market investments. Each tier produces more predictable income than the last. Step 4. Cash flow eventually replaces active income. This is the end goal, not a big savings account, but a system where assets produce more each year without any additional work. Why this system is rare? Most people save money. The wealthy rotate money automatically, endlessly, strategically, and that's how they build multi-generational wealth without manual effort. The rich don't manage money the same way everyone else does. They automate 3 frameworks. 1. Financial aggregation loop, automated capital allocation engine, passive cash flow, rotation system. Together, these systems create a powerful truth. Wealth isn't a goal, it's a process. And once it's automated, wealth becomes inevitable. If you're ready to start building financial systems that work, not just for today, but for the rest of your life, you're already ahead of 99% of people. If you found value in this breakdown, tap subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned for more tutorials on money, automation, and long-term wealth growth. This is Money Automation and Growth Hub, and your journey to automated wealth starts now.